Winter Wonderland. Boondocking spot near Searchlight, Nevada. About 7:30. Wind's blowing, so that's probably getting tore up. It got a little chilly last night, down in the low 20s. It's 26 right now. This is the aftermath of my snowstorm yesterday. Looks like I only got maybe about an inch last night. After it got dark, I just cleaned off my solar panels and they're heating up, and what little snow's melting off. Got a bunch of icicles on my overhang. It's all dripping. It's heating up fast. Sure looks pretty. Get on the back side here, get out of the wind. Wind's coming from the north, so it's not too bad. It's gonna go fast. That'll last probably 3-4 days. This is the most snow I've had. All my antennas stayed up. Didn't really get any wind yesterday, so there's my 20 dipole right there, and 80 and 40 back behind there. Get some good solar today. Didn't get much yesterday. Probably should prop them up, but I don't want to dig the props out of the snow. That'll be good enough. I'll get it once the sun gets a little higher. All this snow will be reflective and should get some good solar today. Comes the wind. Everything's slipperier than I'll get out. I'm gonna be careful walking around down the back out. Going out the door. Tried to get as much snow dug up and moved so it wasn't gonna get too wet last night. Everything froze. Steps ice. Solid ice. I don't have to travel anywhere for the next couple weeks, so it's supposed to warm up almost up in the upper 70s, low 80s by about 4 or 5 days from now, so that'll be crazy warm compared to what it's been past couple weeks. It's been about 20 degrees below normal. The normal temperature, daytime high for Searchlight's about 60 degrees, I think. I checked the other day. I think the normal high is 60 and the normal low is like down in the low 40s. That's been barely above 40 for about the last 2 weeks and way down in the low 20s at night, upper teens. I think we have one more tonight, one more really cold night. Yeah, the highway's right over, well, probably a quarter mile over, so you can hear a little bit of traffic noise here. I'm far enough in where I don't hear any traffic noise. And there goes the jet. And there goes the sun. This would have been a nice little spot right here. Nice green grass starting to pop up, and would have been a nice spot to tuck off here. You could have had posts to tie off any tarps or any kind of protection from the wind. It's been pretty windy up here, so this is a little bit windy in this area, but kind of expected that. About 4,200 feet, 41. It's definitely been cold. It's been an exceptionally cold spell for the last 3 weeks, so we're getting back to the normal 60s and lows probably in the mid to upper 40s. It's supposed to be the low 70s for the next couple days, so I think the normal temperature is probably about 64 for this area. Searchlight. Oh, here comes the sun again. Alright, I'm going to jump on my bike. I've got a slow leak in my tire, so I'm going to probably have to order a new inner tube. It's the first tire that our first flat that I've had. It's holding air, so maybe it's just a real slow leak. I can get some leak seal. Alright, I'm going to head back. Northwest Hiker. I'm out of here. Yeah, it's about a half a mile up the road from my boondocking spot. About 15 miles east of Searchlight, Nevada. There's my boondocking spot way over there. Climbed up on a little knob that sticks up about 300 feet. Awesome view. be a good sunset spot in about an hour. Let's see, what time is it? It's like 4:30, so I'm not going to stick around for the sunset. Might get a sunset. Got some clouds coming in. Some puffy clouds up the valley. And the wind's blowing, so the mic's probably getting all tore up. I wasn't really planning on coming up here. I just took a short walk and saw this spot up here, so I thought I'd go check it out. I always end up walking a lot farther than I thought. Should have grabbed the binoculars. Come in and see my truck. There's my truck right there. Got done with the ARRL DX contest. Bands were lousy this weekend, man. Had a lot of fun. Dave up in Washington tagged along and we worked stations together, so that was fun. Get me more interested. I probably would have quit yesterday. The bands were so lousy that this was by far the worst conditions I've seen. Although 15 was open, I'm trying to think if I didn't work anybody on 10. Heard a couple stations, but didn't work anybody. Some of the bands were open, it just were really spotty. Alright, I'm gonna take a few more pictures and head down from this spot. A lot of cool looking cactus. There's yucca and there's Joshua trees up here. I saw barrel cactus around here somewhere. I don't know, I don't see any right at this spot. I'm on a big rock. This rock's all shiny in the morning. The sun reflects off of it, so I saw that this morning. Up about 6 feet.